Samsung pulled off a surprise reveal during its Galaxy Unpacked event, showcasing the ultra-slim Galaxy S25 Edge. The teaser has stirred excitement in the tech community as it appears to challenge Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air. Following the formal announcement of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra, Samsung unveiled the S25 Edge with a dramatic video highlighting its ultra-thin profile and near edge-to-edge screen. However, the company refrained from disclosing key details such as pricing, specifications, or a release date. The Galaxy S25 Edge features dual rear cameras and a pinhole front camera paired with a display that pushes the boundaries of screen real estate. The phone was shown alongside prototypes of the S25 and S25 Ultra, further emphasizing its slim design. Aggressive heat management layers appear to be a part of the phone's internal design, likely to support the same powerful chips used in the other Galaxy S25 models. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports that the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to debut in the first half of 2025, with a price lower than the S25 Ultra, making it a competitive option in the premium smartphone market. While Apple's iPhone 17 Air has been generating speculation, Samsung's bold move to preempt its launch underscores the fierce competition in the ultra-slim smartphone segment.